Breakfast time is natto time. Oh, wakey, wakey.
Want some natto? Just in time for natto, huh?
You either love it or hate it. But I just love it. One thing I've noticed in Japan is there are like 0 trash cans, or like very minimum, and it's clean AF. Whereas in London or in Berlin or in France, there's so many trash cans everywhere, and it's still so dirty. How ironic!
It's a little evening walk on the philosopher's path by the canal. It's so quiet here. Feels like we are in a small village in the mountains of Japan, but we are in Kyoto. Hello. Today is a rainy day. Bang. So we have to jump in a camp. Very pretty camp.
Someone just randomly came up to us and gave us a bunch of limes for free. Don't know why.
Yeah. She stops us and gives us some lime. That's nice. We're a bit random, but very nice, very friendly. Slime. It's a window, huh?
And come up, as always, Isaac's parents are not prepared at all. We have neither an umbrella, nor a poncho. We should not be parrots.
Yeah.
At least that opens up at 7.
So many gates everywhere. Gates.
Status update. We are in a restaurant right now, open at 11, but we're not allowed to order until 11:30. So we're waiting right now.
And I'm not joking with this.
And we thought might as well life update. We took some decisions this morning. Finally, Isaac is just watching us. And yeah, we had an effective and productive coffee/matcha latte meeting walk. Isaac had to sleep. And we're going to Ibiza.
No.
We're neither going to Hawaii nor back to Europe. We're heading to
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
After Tokyo,
Yeah.
flying to
Next
LA.
up is Tokyo, and then heading to LA.
Yeah.
US, baby.
Yeah, Hawaii was a bit expensive and detour plus typhoon season
We still might maybe go to Hawaii. We're not sure, but for now
It's still doable from the...
For now, it's just LA. Was a difficult decision. Took us only a couple of weeks to decide. First, we wanted to let Destiny decide for us, but we weren't quite happy with Destiny's decision.
Yeah, Europe was not easy and expensive. Was expensive too.
So LA it is. What time is it now? Maybe I can order in 5 minutes. I'm waiting to order this special white curry sesame curry. Apparently it's really good.
7 minutes.
7 more minutes. Woohoo.
Any update, Ivy?
Ivy, any update?
What's your update? We also have some broken phone situations at the moment. This was broke somehow. And the screen
Broke somehow too.
So yeah, not very lucky with our phones, but at least they are still here. They didn't get stolen. So we might have to look at prices in Japan, maybe if they are cheaper.
I was allowed to order
3 minutes before.
at 27. She was a bit disappointed, huh? But I just ordered only the mini curry.
Where did you crack here?
Sesame curry.
Wanted to do a boat tour, but it's closed. And anyway, there's just so many people today here that we probably won't have got any free space on the boat. So since we are here, we're just gonna walk by the river with 10,000 people. Yeah, what today? We kind of improvised a little hike here. Not really ready for this, but yeah, we've met some people. Told us there is a viewpoint over there, over the city, 20 minutes. Let's see. So yeah, we turned like down because I think we took the wrong trail. And Izzy was not happy, and we were just wearing flip-flops.
But nice.
Nice, happy. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Sure, you happy?
Smile.
Make the happy face. Yeah.
Are you real? Oh, you are actually real. No, but it does look really real.
So real. Even like the ice cubes they expect. Yeah, bring me two pack.